In Buffalo, snow flurries were reported. The temperature was minus 15 degrees, the dew point was minus 20, and the relative humidity was 76%. The wind was west at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.41 inches and rising. In Maple Lake, it was clear the temperature was minus 15 degrees, the dew point was minus 21, and the relative humidity was 74%. The wind was west at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.41 inches and rising. Elsewhere across central Minnesota, it was clear, with a temperature of minus 13 at the Twin Cities, minus 15 at Anoka, minus 13 at Crystal, minus 18 at Princeton, and minus 15 at Litchfield. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of minus 19 at St. Cloud, and minus 26 at Little Falls. Around the state, at International Falls, fog was reported, with a temperature of minus 34. It was clear, with a temperature of minus 12 at Rochester, minus 12 at Mankato, and minus 22 at Duluth. At Brainerd, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of minus 23. Once again at 6 a.m., in Buffalo, it was minus 15 degrees with snow flurries. And in Maple Lake, it was minus 15 degrees under clear skies. This is weather radio station WMG 676 Clearwater, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, serving listeners across much of central Minnesota. The current time is 6:37 a.m. Central Standard Time. Extreme cold warning remains in effect until noon Tuesday. What? Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 41 below. Where? Benton, Morrison, Sherburne, Stearns, Todd, Anoka, Chisago, Isanti, Kennebec, Mille Lacs, Washington, Douglas, Pope, Stevens, and Swift counties. When? Until noon Tuesday. The following impacts are expected. The dangerously cold wind chills as low as 40 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Persons are urged to stay indoors until conditions improve. If you must go outside, dress in layers. Several layers of clothes will keep you warmer than a single heavy coat. Cover exposed skin to reduce your risk of frostbite or hypothermia. Gloves, a scarf, and a hat will keep you from losing your body heat. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside. Repeating, an extreme cold warning remains in effect until noon Tuesday for the following counties: in Minnesota, Anoka, Benton, Isanti, Mille Lacs, Sherburne, and Stearns.